5 things to do if you're involved in a bridge or tunnel accident in Virginia. Hi, I'm Seth Scott, Senior Litigation Attorney at Kalfus and Nachman. We see you here in Hampton Roads every single day. You're driving to or from work. You're approaching the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel. You go over the bridge part and you're approaching the actual tunnel. Traffic starts to back up for some unknown reason. You slow down and come to a stop. But the car behind you, they're not really paying attention. And all of a sudden, they slam into the back of your car. What should you do? First, it's an extremely dangerous situation when you're in the middle of a bridge or a tunnel and involved in an accident. So you need to make sure that you stay in your vehicle and call the police and call an ambulance. Wait for authorities to arrive. Second, the scene is often chaotic after an accident on a bridge or tunnel. So while you're sitting in your car, you need to document as much as you can because there's going to be people and there's going to be cars all around you. So use your phone to take pictures. Once the authorities arrive and it's safe for you to get out of your vehicle, use your phone to take more pictures and to gather the names and phone numbers of any witnesses that are there. And when I say witnesses, I mean the people that were involved in the accident, people who witnessed the accident, or any bridge or tunnel workers or emergency personnel who show up on the scene. 3, while gathering information, use your phone to video the person that hit you. Ask them what happened and ask them about their insurance information. 4, always seek immediate medical attention, even if you're not in extreme pain. There may be something going on inside your body that you might not be aware of. A doctor would know best. Finally, you need to contact an experienced personal injury firm that deals with accidents on bridges and tunnels. You can always call us at Kalfus and Nachman. I'm Seth Scott, Senior Personal Injury Attorney at Kalfus and Nachman. I answer these questions every day. Thanks for watching.